This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Jennifer, Ireland. Home has been with family since 1965 and is now in need of a new family to give it TLC, updates, and upgrades. Being sold as is. Seller will not make repairs. Brick ranch with living room, dining room, den/family room, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths. Easy access to interstates, military bases, and beaches. Conveniently located near dining, shopping, and entertainment venues. Great structure and bones waiting for new owners to bring their personal touch. Wonderful opportunity. For more information, review the details below.